Have you ever wished you had a time machine? Imagine stepping into a whirring machine and visiting any moment in history. You could see dinosaurs roam or leap into the future to witness inventions we can't even imagine. Every second in history becomes a destination, an ultimate adventure for the curious. So, what if time travel was real? Would you visit the Roaring Twenties, meet Marie Curie, or see the future? Buckle up. Let's fire up our imaginations and journey through the ages to explore what could be if we could bend the rules of time. Our first stop takes us back 68 million years, deep into the late Cretaceous period, a time when Earth looked nothing like it does today. Imagine stepping out into a world untouched by humans, where the sun rises over a wild, primeval landscape teeming with life. The air is thick and humid, almost heavy to breathe, and it vibrates with the constant hum of giant insects. Dragonflies the size of birds dart between ancient trees, while strange armored beetles crawl along the forest floor. Above us, towering ferns and ancient pines stretch skyward, weaving together to form a dense emerald canopy. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting shifting patterns on the mossy ground below. Suddenly, the ground trembles with a deep thunderous thud. Emerging from the shadows, a Tyrannosaurus Rex strides into view, its massive jaws and powerful tail making it far more awe-inspiring than any skeleton we've seen in a museum. Not far away, a family of Triceratops grazes peacefully by a riverbank. Their massive frills and horns offer protection, but in this moment, they seem calm, focused only on the lush plants around them. In the distance, a volcano smolders, sending plumes of smoke and ash into the sky. It's a powerful reminder that this world is shaped by forces far beyond the creatures that roam its surface. There are no cities, no roads, and no sign of human life, just us, the dinosaurs, and the untamed wilderness, stretching as far as the eye can see. Witnessing this ancient world firsthand gives us a new perspective. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, a reign that makes our own history seem like a fleeting moment in the planet's vast timeline. As we step back toward our time machine, we carry with us a sense of wonder and respect for the incredible history beneath our feet. Looking back, we realize just how much there is to learn from the distant past. Next, we land in ancient Egypt, where the sun rises over the desert and the silhouette of the Great Pyramid slowly takes shape against the horizon. Imagine the awe of witnessing this monumental structure being built, stone by stone, as the world's tallest man-made building for thousands of years. Thousands of workers, from skilled architects to laborers, move massive stones with determination and unity, their efforts echoing through the centuries. The sweat and ingenuity of these ancient builders remind us of humanity's drive to achieve the impossible. Fast forward to ancient Greece, the agora buzzes with debate and the air is alive with ideas. Here, citizens gather not just to trade goods, but to exchange philosophies and challenge each other's thinking. Philosophers like Plato and Aristotle ask questions we still ponder today. What is justice? What is the good life? Their conversations laid the groundwork for science, democracy, and the pursuit of knowledge that continues to shape our world. Human curiosity and creativity connect us across centuries. From inventors sketching new machines to artists painting visions of the future, each generation builds on the dreams and discoveries of those who came before. Now, leap to July 20th, 1969. Humanity stands on the moon. Armstrong and Aldrin, representing the hopes of millions, plant the flag on the lunar surface, a symbol of exploration and unity. From the moon, Earth shines in the sky, a fragile blue marble, home to every story ever told, every dream ever dreamed. These moments show our capacity for wonder, collaboration, and pushing boundaries. Whether building pyramids, debating philosophy, or reaching for the stars, we achieve greatness together. History isn't just dates, it's the story of us. It's a living record of our struggles, triumphs, and the questions that drive us forward. Walking through its pages, we see the effort, intellect, and courage that shaped our world. Every chapter reveals the resilience and imagination that define humanity. Each era teaches us about our own potential, inspiring us to dream bigger, think deeper, and leave our own footprints for future generations to discover. Let's leap to the year 3000. Skyscrapers twist skyward, flying cars glide silently, and technology is woven into daily life. People wear smart clothes, communicate with holograms, and children learn science through interactive play. Robots help everywhere, making life easier and more creative. Look up, cities shine on the moon and Mars. Humanity has become multi-planetary. The future is about exploration, creativity, and solving big problems. This vision inspires us. Our choices today build tomorrow's world. The future isn't written yet, but seeing its potential gives us something to strive for. How could a time machine work? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, writers, and dreamers for generations. The idea of stepping into a device and emerging in another era, whether it's the distant past or the far-off future, seems like pure science fiction. But is there any real science behind it? The answer lies in Einstein's revolutionary ideas about space-time. In the early 20th century, Einstein changed how we think about the universe, showing that space and time are not separate but deeply connected. Space and time are woven together. Massive objects bend this fabric, creating what we experience as gravity. Imagine a heavy ball placed on a trampoline, causing it to dip. That's how planets and stars warp space-time around them. Time isn't constant. It can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you move or how close you are to something massive. This strange effect is called time dilation, and it's been proven with experiments using fast-moving jets and precise atomic clocks. Travel near the speed of light, and you'd age much slower than those left behind on Earth, a real effect, though not practical for humans yet. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually experience this, aging just a tiny bit less than people on the ground. But what about going backward in time? That's even trickier. The laws of physics don't forbid it outright, but they don't make it easy either. Theoretical wormholes, tunnels through space-time, could, in theory, connect distant points, maybe even different times. If such shortcuts exist, they might allow for time travel, but we have no evidence they're real or stable enough to use. And even if wormholes were possible, traveling to the past brings up mind-bending paradoxes, like meeting your younger self or changing history. These puzzles keep scientists debating and imagining new possibilities. The science is real, even if the machines aren't. Reality is often stranger than fiction. Our universe is full of surprises, and we're only beginning to understand its deepest mysteries. Maybe one day, inspired by these ideas, someone will crack the code of time. Until then, the dream of time travel continues to inspire curiosity, creativity, and the quest for knowledge. Time travel would be thrilling, but even tiny changes in the past could ripple into huge consequences. The butterfly effect. The past is delicate. One small action could change everything. That's why the most important time is now, the present. Today is when we make choices that shape the future. We're all time travelers, moving forward 1 second at a time. The future we dream of depends on what we do right now. So, if you could travel anywhere in time, what would you hope to discover about our universe and about yourself?